Here are 3 Amazon cleaning gadgets that I will test to see if they can make the cleaning process easier. Here is the OXO Good Grip Soap Dispenser for $11.99 with nylon bristles for washing and scrubbing dirty dishes. First, remove the lid from the soap dispenser and fill it with liquid dishwashing soap. Push the button on the top of the soap dispenser to release the soap. The nylon bristles make getting stuck on food from dishes and utensils a breeze. The bristles are also safe on non-stick cookware. The dispenser also comes with its own drip tray. Next, the Angry Mama microwave cleaner for $9.99, a gadget that helps clean and steam the inside of the microwave. Pour vinegar and water into the Angry Mama, put into the microwave, set the timer for 7 minutes, and let the steam from the Angry Mama soften the dry splattered food that's in the microwave. Well, it did not work well for me. The steam did not soften anything in the microwave, and I still had to really scrub and scrape to clean the microwave. Last, we have the 2-pack damp sponge for $7.99. This sponge is supposed to clean by only using water, and it also is supposed to be good at picking up dust without leaving any streaks. I mostly tested the sponge to see how well it wiped and cleaned. It worked about the same as most sponges. I was really hoping that it would work like the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. The sponge feels durable and it should last a long time. The Good Grip Soap Dispenser was my favorite cleaning product out of the 3. I love how convenient it is and how it makes scrubbing dishes a little easier. The 2-pack damp sponges will be useful in a variety of cleaning jobs around the house. I wonder if it would be a good sponge for washing my car. Unfortunately, the Angry Mama microwave cleaner did not work well for me. I tried twice. All it did was just steam the microwave.